Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the nh sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The nh sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word nhà, or at the end of the word, like anh. Now let's see how to pronounce the nh sound. First, tip of the tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow. The nh sound is a nasal sound, so you have to block the airflow with the tip of the tongue and direct a stream of air through the nose. Your tongue must be tense. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the nh sound, that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound, like nh, 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 nhà, anh. Now let's try to say some words with the nh sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, nho, như, nhũ, nhẹ, nhà, nhọn, nhận, nhện, nhựa, nhưng, nhường, nhiều. Now the nh sound at the end of word. Anh, canh, lạnh, kênh, bệnh, lệnh. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the nh ending when it follows by the e vowel. So when the nh sound follows the e vowel, it is pronounced like the ng. If you don't know how to pronounce the ng sound, get the link in the description. Đỉnh, kính, chính, khinh, thính, mình, lính, nhan nhản, nhanh nhẹn, nhịp nhàng, nhường nhịn, nhộn nhịp, đính chính, linh tính. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the nh sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I want to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I want to say the sentence with normal speed. Con, nhện, nhặt, quả, nho. Now a little bit faster. Con nhện, nhặt, quả nho, Now with normal speed. Con nhện nhặt quả nho. Anh nhớ nhường nhịn em nhé. Now a little bit faster. Anh nhớ nhường nhịn em nhé. Now with normal speed. Anh nhớ nhường nhịn em nhé. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.